Okay, this is part two. I forgot that when you record on the YouTube, it goes pretty fast. Hold on, I kind of don't like this. I kind of don't like it. Anyway, back at the ranch. It's like it's going pretty fast. Oh. Okay, so now we're gonna take this out and put it with the rest, because again, I said we're gonna finish cooking it off in the gravy. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is add the veggies to this. That's the peppers, the onions, the celery, and the garlic. And we're gonna let this caramelize really good. Okay, and over here, this is doing good. Alright, so we're going to add a little of the chicken bouillon in here now. Little pepper. Little pepper in this one too. And a little salt. Gotta give your veggies some seasoning too, right? That's looking real good there. And smelling good. Okay, now we're going to take the flour and we're going to make our roux, okay? So let's put a little flour in there. And this is going to give us a roux. That's before you do your gravy. And you want your roux to be dark brown, because the darker your roux, the better the flavor. So if you have to add more flour in there, you do so, okay? Because the darker it is, the better.